Hello guys, welcome to this new video on AI and machine learning. So I'm back with a new project for you guys. So what we are going to do in this project, I'm going to give you an overview first of all. So we are going to generate synthetic ads with the help of OpenAI models, and we are going to use advanced OpenAI models which are available with GPT-4 with the help of its API. And then we will be what this is the entire flow what we are going to do. So first of all, if we have an ad image, we will try to create more ads out of it, and this is the pseudo flow for them for that project. So we get the image description from a image using GPT-Vision, create an image with that description with the DALL-E model which is provided by OpenAI, then get a new image description, compare with the original image and create a modified description. Then finally we'll be passing the modified description again to DALL-E 3 to generate the new ad and its iteration. So this is how I'm going to go through the project. So before that, you need to go on OpenAI platforms.openai. So you can just search for platform OpenAI and it will take you to this link. You just need to log in with your email address. After that, once you are in this platform.openai, you can search for settings here. So you can go on this icon personal, then you can click on OpenAI key, and here you will get the key for your personal account. After that, you just have to add money to it. So for that, you can again go on setting, you can go on billing, and then you can see here your credit balance. If the credit balance is low, you won't be able to use the API key. So we'll have to add your credit card details and just add more balance to it. Alright, so once that is done, you are good to go. So let's get to the coding part of it. So I have pre-written the code for you. So you will require OpenAI dependency, then you will have to mount the drive. So first let me get the OpenAI dependency, then we can mount the drive quickly. So the drive is now mounted. Now let me go in the folder that I wanted to show you, data input. So this is the ad that I want to recreate. So you see, this is the ad that I have, and I am going to try to recreate this ad with the help of OpenAI. So let me show you the dimensions and all whatever you have for this ad. Right. So it's a 500 cross 500 image. Alright. So we import the dependencies, create an OpenAI client object. So here you need to paste the OpenAI key, and if the key is not defined, you have to define it. So once the key is defined, you can just simply create the client object. Then I have created a function here which is to describe the image, like whatever image is passed through it, it will get out the description with the help of vision, and it will create a description of 300 tokens. So once that is done, we also have next is regarding the DALL-E. We have a function which takes a description, and based on the description gives you the output based on the DALL-E model which is provided by OpenAI. So the next is a function which will take two things, that is, one is the reference image and one is the synthetic image created by DALL-E. Alright, and what it will do is that it will get the detailed distinguishing factor between both the images that were created, and it will get you the modified description, and also this modified description would be of 300 words. So we run this function again, then we have a base image to 64 GB function, and then we have the final function which will take all these things. So as you see, the name of the function is iterative image synthesis, so you can change the number of iterations and you will get n number of outputs. Alright, so we just run this thing. Now we pass in our image here and we try to run all the functions together. So this is my image, okay, and just change the name of the description one, and I'll also change the name of the text description one, for example. Okay, let's run this thing. So now it is running. So it will take some time, don't worry. Okay, so you see, we got the description. It was passed through DALL-E. Image was created. Then a comparative description was created between the comparison of the original image and the description that we got from the other image. Then again, this modified description was passed through DALL-E, and now we can check where the image is. So it is saved here somewhere in the drive, my drive synthetic image. Okay, so it is here somewhere, synthetic image. So you see, from the original image we were able to create a synthetic image which looks very much like the original image, and we can create n iterations of it with the help of this piece of code. So I hope that whatever I have shown in this video was useful to you, and you will also be able to create such kind of ads or images with the help of OpenAI functions. And if you have any doubt regarding this code, feel free to write in the comment section below. See you guys next time with a different project.